Introducing Scenic Eclipse. The point on the map where luxury meets discovery. From the moment you step on board, you will be surrounded by the ultimate in luxury. On Scenic Eclipse, our aim is to enable guests to discover a world few have ever experienced, with its own submarine to take you below the surface and helicopters to take you beyond the horizon. 3 years in the planning, Scenic Eclipse takes ocean cruising to a completely new level in terms of technology and innovation. The inbuilt safety and comfort features ensure we can cross the most challenging oceans with ease. No matter what horizon you yearn to explore, we'll take you there. Scenic Eclipse, the world's first discovery yacht.